In this section, you will understand how to rearrange a formula involving squares and square roots. So here we have r equals the square root of ax minus p over q plus bx, and we are rearranging the formula for x. Let us square both sides of the equation. So here we square both sides of the equation, which gives us r squared, and when we squared the right hand side we just get ax minus p over q plus bx. Let us get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by the denominator q plus bx. So we multiply both sides. So this would cancel out each other there. So on the right hand side I just have ax minus p. On the left hand side I get r squared q plus r squared bx. Let us get the x terms on one side of the equation. So let us get rid of the minus p by adding both sides by p. So when I add p both sides, on the right hand side I just have ax, and on the left hand side when I add p I just have r squared q plus p, and we had r squared bx. As I said, we need to get the x terms on one side, so let us now get rid of the r squared bx. So by taking r squared bx both sides, on the left hand side I would have r squared q plus p, and on the right hand side I would have ax minus r squared bx. So we have all the x terms on one side of the equation now, and if you note, x is a common factor, so we can factor out x. So by factoring out x we get a into r squared b, and on the left hand side I have r squared q plus p. By dividing both sides by a minus r squared b, I can get x. So in this case, when I divide both sides by a minus r squared b, I can get x because these cancel out each other. So it means that x equals r squared q plus p, all of that over a minus r squared b. So we have now rearranged the formula for x. Here is a practice question. Press pause and have a go. Here is a practice question. Press pause and have a go. So you are rearranging the formula for x, for a this time. Thank you for listening, and I hope you do understand how to rearrange a formula involving squares and square roots.